Good morning. So let's go ahead and learn how to do a numbered bullet point list today. So first I have my MLA heading. I have my name, my teacher's name, the class name, and the due date. Next I have the title. So this is going to be my 3-minute example TED Talk. So the title is, or my topic rather, is my dog Radar. And the topic I'm going to be talking about with him is how he learned to be brave. So I have everything here on my computer. I'm going to hold down Command A. That highlights everything. I want to double space it. And to do a numbered bullet point, I'm going to type the number 1, period, and a space, and you can see it's automatically indented a little bit. So for the 3-minute speech, I think 3 topics will be fine, and then within each topic I'll have about 1 minute to speak. So I've thought about this already, and the first thing that's important about Radar learning to be brave is knowing what his background information is. I'm going to hit return, tab in, and you can see I now have the 3 topics that I would like to talk about that are important for his background are his adoption, his socialization, and his previous ownership. I'm going to hit return and return again, and now I'm back down to my second bullet point. So the next thing I want you to know are some examples. I have returned tabbed in, and I'm going to be talking about the door smudge, the empty box, and the leaves. And finally, we'll talk about overcoming. For that, I'll talk about his using an encouraging tone and new experiences to help him overcome. So that is pretty much what I would like to see. Your MLA heading up here, a centered title that has your main subject and the topic if that is different. Then I would recommend having 3 basically topics within your main topic, and then 2 or 3 would probably be fine. Depends how much you talk. 2 could be fine for your lettered sub-bullets. So remember, just hit enter and then tab in, and then if you need to come back down to 4, I just hit enter or return again, and it comes back down to 4. The other thing I could have done is typed in a bunch of stuff and then come in and entered like that, right? So make sure that you have a proper numbered bullet list with proper sub-bullets. If you feel like it, which I like to do, is bold all of them. So I just tap there and I can do Command B to bold, or I could come up here to bold. On mine, I don't know why it changes the font, so sometimes I have to come back up here and change the font back to Times New Roman. Remember, you are always in 12-point font, Times New Roman, and you are double spaced. All right, go forth and make your bullet lists.